With lots of pallets left from the garden office build, lockdown and 2 restless children, we decided to turn these into this, a mud kitchen for the kids. And it only took a couple of hours one afternoon. This is a very rough and ready build of a mud kitchen, but then this isn't aiming to be a high quality piece of durable furniture. I used most of 3 standard pallets. They were all the same size, which made things easier and avoided a lot of measuring. The tools you'll need: a saw. I mostly used a reciprocating saw, but even a hand saw will do. It'll just take a bit more effort and a bit longer. You'll also need a way to fix the pallets together. I've used nails and my nail gun here, but you could use screws, but I recommend having some way of mechanically putting them in, such as an impact or drill driver. You'll also need a hammer. I also made use of a cat's paw. This made it easier to pull nails when doing some minor dismantling of the pallets. The first step is to take one pallet and cut it in half along the axis of the top boards. This gives you the top and bottom of the kitchen. Next, create the sides of the kitchen by cutting another half pallet and then halving one of those again to get a quarter. I removed some of the top planks, but this turned out to be somewhat unnecessary. I began next to fix it together, lining things up as best as I could to then nail them through. To add rigidity to the kitchen and also provide the back, I fixed the 4 cut pieces to an intact pallet. If this video is mildly entertaining or possibly even useful, please hit the like button and even subscribe to this channel. This helps other people find and enjoy these videos. Finally, to create a bench surface, I took some of the spare planks, ripped them down to width and fixed them in the gaps in the top. Then, the world's your oyster. You can just use your creativity to add a sink or other accessories. In this case, we used an old pan with the handle that had fallen off, used hooks for kids to hang things on. Whatever you or the children want, you can go wild.